Hello, and welcome to The Worm Show. I'm your host, Thorn Jules. Well. Here we are. It is absolutely a lovely, lovely day in October here in so-called Ottawa. And I am here with the lovely box of life that I have in my home. And I also have another friendly stranger that I have with me today. This is one of the ones that I got sort of late in the season from a friend of mine. And I have it planted on a slight tilt, as you can see. So that it would not peek out too much over my balcony. It's been really lovely to have, and I'm looking forward to harvesting it soon, because it's almost that time. Anyhow, lovely. I love these plants. They're so much fun and a joy to take care of. Anyhow, here we are. Speaking of a fun and joy to take care of, I have not actually looked at these in the box in several days. I've been up to all sorts of other things. I have a knife or a spoon and a fork today. So I'm very eager to open this up and see what's going on. In fact, actually, I'm going to lay this over. Well, no, I'm going to lay this over here. Now, I'm most concerned actually about what's going on underneath. I'm feeling like this would be okay. Like I'm feeling like, yeah, this looks like it's, things are going well here. By the look of things, like all these eggs, and I can see there's lots of castings, and like this is moist. So, or I should say, it's like I can feel there's moisture in it. It's not too dry. So the thing I'm actually most interested in, I want to check, and so I'm going to dive right into it. Maybe I'll just move this back for the sake of filming this if I can. Try to hold on. I don't want this to... Okay, what's going on underneath? Okay, yes. Okay, so I don't know. I can't really film it easily there, but I can see that all of those little wormies are... Yes. Yeah, there's a few of them. There's one hanging there. I think you can see it. Yes, you can. He's hanging. Oh, which way is he gonna go? Oh, he's going down. Okay, so yes, that is being successful. I can see that. That is fantastic. Okay, whew. All right, that's a relief. I was worried about that. Okay, I was worried about that. That is a relief. Okay, so I think what I need to do is see what's going on top now. I'm curious to see how much has been eaten, how much of the food that I put down last week has been tucked into, and what's going on. So keen to find out. I'll take my utensil. I'm going to try this fork this time. I've used the spoon before. Curious to see what's going on under here. I can see there's definitely worm activity. Ooh, I can even see there's two worms to get. Oh, they just let go. Sorry. Oops. Okay, so actually, I'm gonna put this fork away. That doesn't feel right. I don't want to hurt them. I don't know why I said fork. Put the fork away. Put the fork away. Okay, so what I was thinking is, I was going to dig in here to see how they're doing, but I kind of really get the feeling that there's a lot going on there. Like, I can even see movement. Oh, yeah, I don't know if you can pick that up, but there's, like, actually movement there, like, below the surface. So there's a lot going on, and okay, so if I just start moving stuff around, okay. So there's not as many worms around here. I try to aim to, like, feed the areas where there's maybe not as many worms. So, okay. See, there's a lot going on here. Sorry, wormies. We're going to feed this area today. So last time we fed up in there. Now, I was thinking about digging in there and having a look to see what's going on, and I'm like, nah, I'm not going to do that. Because I suspect that they're happily chewing away there, and I don't want to disturb them, right? Why should I disturb them? So I'm going to put down the food here. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. See there? There's a lot going on there. I don't want to disturb it. I can see that. Okay, so yeah. I'm going to do it over here. I'm going to make this trench. I've been watching too many reruns of Time Team. If you don't know what Time Team is, have a look. I'm such a nerd. Anyway, so we'll make a little trench here. I'm not sure about feeding... I was going to dig all the way to the bottom, but I'm actually not going to do that. I'm actually decided, no, I'm not going to do that. I want the worms to continue to transfer up, but I think I'll do that by moving and mounding more earth up, and I want them to be moving around up here to get to the food. So I don't think I'll scrape the bottom to like make sure that they have a way of tunneling. I will do my slap method. I don't know what else to do. Like, it kind of feels right. Kind of just get it in there. And then kind of like move the bedding. Oh, and individual worms, as the case may be. In there. Maybe get some on the side. Now this stuff has been like frozen. I grind it up in a food processor. And then I freeze it again. I think this one's a bit more of a fresh batch, actually. I think this is more of my recent food waste. Been trying to get as much healthy goodness in here for these worms to eat, and obviously for me to eat as well. Sorry about that. Poor wormies. I'm just like, oh, there's that. I can't remember. That's just a whole bit of. Well, anyway, that's fine. Okay, yeah, so I want to just dig down a little bit. I guess I'm feeding like a little bit messily here. I'm moving further away from where the area was that I said that I was going to feed, but hey, look, I have a fair bit of food for them. Okay, so I'll empty this out. I think the winning thing, because I mean, like, there's this whole notion of like making sure you have their food for these worms that's like cut into pieces that are less than an inch. And I was like, well, why wouldn't you just chuck it all in a food processor? I mean, bring it like down to their size. So that's what I do, and I think the worms appreciate that. I think. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this back a little bit. Oop, touch the camera there. Sorry. And yeah. So and I'm gonna move this sucker over. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah. And you know, I mean, like, this stuff hopefully there won't be with the like this food. I've added quite a bit. It's like some of it's on the surface level here, which is maybe not great. So maybe I'll just move some of this stuff over just to cover as bedding. Cover that over a little bit. And then I think what I will do with that, yeah, move it around a little bit. So that's all that good food there. That's a fair bit of it too. And it leaves a bit of a chasm here. Okay, fair enough, but that's okay. I don't see any worms in here as I dig down, so that's fine. So I'm moving all of this over. I don't know if you can see the scale of that, probably not. But this is lower than this, obviously. Well, it's obvious to me. Okay, and then what I will do is I will replace this. Which side? Yeah, this side. Fine, I'll do this side, yep. Okay, and this side is like, obviously, like, they've had a good amount. There's definitely a lot of, I don't know if you can see, there's a lot of castings in the back there, so they've been chewing a lot. And pooping a lot. Okay, so I think that looks good. I'm really, really pleased with how this top bit is looking. I want to spritz it down. Yeah, I'll do that now. Why would I wait? All right, yeah. So I'm gonna leave that like that. I think when the so-called blanket goes down, I think it should be fine. I think that this box isn't too full. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't do it too much. Let me just pull this back, actually, because I just sawed in this, but there's a fair bit of whatchamacallit, moisture in that food, so I shouldn't go crazy. Okay, so I'm going to be putting the lid back on. Let's actually test the fit. That might be a useful thing to do. Let's test the fit. How does it fit? Ooh, it's a bit tight. I can definitely. Oh, but that's what I'm. Okay. Duh. All right. Anyway, listen, I am silly. I didn't put the blanket back on. But, alright, let's do that at the very end. Let's move on to... Oop, is there any more coming out? There are. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this very, very carefully. Let me see if I can... There they are. If I can show you the base of this thing. So, oh, I think one just fell off. Did one just fall off? And they're very slowly making their way back into... I want to... No, yeah, that's fine. I'm good. I think I'm good. Anyway, so that definitely shows, without a doubt, that these worms are getting through. But I think I wanted to, like, work on, like, that passageway more. Oh, so I'll put that down, hoping I'm not squishing any worms. It's actually, like, there's no way I can tell, so I'm really keep my fingers crossed that I haven't squished any worms that way. Okay, and then what I'm basically, I just want to see... Can I move? Okay, yeah, there's still eating. There's a lot of eating going on. There's still, I can see there's definitely food. Oh, sorry, buddy. Sorry, move you back down there. Oh. So yeah, there's definitely, they're still consuming. There's still sustenance down here that they're working on. And I'm moving them up and probably in protest. But here we are. And I think maybe what I'll do is, oh yeah, I think I'll mound them in the middle again. I think it makes sense for me to mound everything in the middle as much as possible. But you can see how high they up, or how high up they were in this portion here, which of course had the most food in it at the last time I fed this area, I think, and then fed it on top as well. So, but here I'm gonna move to the center here. As much material as I can. This is a lot of... Yes, okay. Ooh. I don't know what this is. Huh. I don't know what that is. Oh, you know what I think this is? I think this is avocado skin. That's kind of fun. Oh, excuse me. That's kind of fun. I'm pretty sure this is avocado skin. Which these guys obviously did not really feel like chewing up, but I'm sure that, like, if I left this in there, they would probably eventually work it out. But, like, hey, if they're not that keen on it, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna force them to it. But okay, here we go. We have some here on the top that are, I guess, ready to be transported, so to speak. I'll cover this one up. Maybe move it around a little bit, because that is a little bit insane, I think. Or overdone, I should say. Try not to be ableist. Devo. Oh. Thorn. Well, Thorn Jules is my stage name. It's funny, actually. I'm filming this, and I still have yet to post any of these videos. I'm not sure how these videos are going to be posted, or when, or what channel. I don't know. But I've been filming them, and I will continue to film them. Because I think this material hopefully will be interesting to somebody. And yeah, I mean, here we are pushing at the edge of the the end of the world, so may as well get creative. All right, I think that's good for now. I don't know, it's difficult. I think I suspect it may be not necessarily the easiest thing to tell, but I think that's sort of mounted up at the top there. And then when I reintroduce these guys, which are... You know, they've all gone and hidden again. But when I reintroduce this, it should have a subtle and satisfying kind of landing. There it is. Oh, wow, there it is. Yep. Okay. It's almost too much. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I think that's good. I mean, like, that's, like, I think, let me pull it up one more time and get a feel for it. Yeah. Yeah. I think that'll be effective. And I mean, there's still a fair bit of food down there. They'll chew and chew and chew. And I mean, I've been thinking the whole time that I would get this one, like, and then empty this one out and then put but it's like, no, I think you have to still, this will still be going and this will still be going and then I'll have to put another one on top. Okay, whatever, we'll see. We will see. Okay, alright, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I mean, obviously I don't have to spritz the one at the bottom, like that's like obviously chugging along. I don't think there's anything that I need to do in terms of adding moisture to that. I just can move things around like I just did. This one, it's spritzed. Now we'll put the blanket back on. With like a mound. Here we are. I think I am gonna let this go in a little bit further in like that, or double it back. Shall I experiment? Let me experiment. I'm gonna double it back like that because I don't have this. I mean, anyway, whatever. Let's see what'll happen. And this side is like as normal. Let's see how it fits first of all. Yeah. Ooh, I like that fit. Okay, I like that fit. Cool. Cool. Right. Okay. Well, here we are. Okay, so, you know, I have to think about this because I think I got this in May. So May, June, July, August, September. Now we're in October. Yeah, I got it 4 months in, something like that. It's chugging along. There's obviously like lots of activity still going on the bottom, and I'm curious to see what's going to happen in terms of the worms coming up and more populating this box here. And I'm really curious as well because I don't really know how I'm going to gauge when exactly it's time to put the next one on and then take this one out. And I think I don't know, I'm not really sure. I'm a little bit nervous about that because it's going to be heavy. It's going to be heavier and more unwieldy and probably a little bit more challenging to film. And I think by then also I will have to be filming indoors because of course I'm filming this at the beginning of October, and I suspect that as time goes on I won't be as easily able to film on the outside. I think I'll have to move back inside. And as of yet, this is maybe an insider thing, but I still haven't figured out how to solve that flickering phenomenon with the light in my kitchen. Anywho, that is just an insider thing, but anyway, we'll see. I will work things out, and I will continue to make these little videos. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I hope that I have earned your subscription. Please like. It would be huge if you can like this video. And yeah, leave a comment. Any questions, suggestions. Love to hear from people. So please do drop something in the comments. And we'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.
Peace.